एक अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर जालो, डेडली वेपन एक यूज केले. कितें तुमी एक्शन घेतलें?
हय आमकां एट अरावंड 1:30 आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन येयली की म्हाजो ड्युटी ऑफिसर PSF प्रथमेश मोराले ऑफिसर एट. सो त्या दिसा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर इन्फॉर्मेशन येयली की असॉल्ट हॅज बीन टेकन प्लेस एट Benaulim. So immediately my staff proceeded at the spot. We have seen that it is true that assault has been taken place. Then the victim was shifted to the GOANEWS hospital, and accordingly my PSI has taken the complaint of Mr. Zion Alvares, who is from Nuvem, against two persons, namely Ransley and Sherwen. Ransley is from Honda and Sherwen is from Nuvem. Immediately we have on that particular day, same night, we have apprehended and the accused person, Mr. Ransley, and placed him under arrest. And the very next day, the second accused person, Gracious, is also apprehended, and both the person has been arrested in that particular case, and sections attempt to murder has been applied for that particular case. And accordingly आम्ही समतोच ताका रान्सलीचो रिमांड घेतलो, 5 दीस रिमांड केला. ही इज इन द कस्टडी.
पयलीं कितें क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड बीन कितें आसा
So
तेंचो?
that we are now, that investigation is already going on, and तेजो क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड्स, तेजो एंटीसिडेंट्स दोनी आरोपीचे आमी ते व्हेरीफाय करतात. एंड तेंचे भितर त्या असॉल्टांचे वेपन यूज केल्लें आसा, दॅट इज ऑल्सो वी आर रिकवरी, एंड the case will be investigated on a merit.